I have already dried my Pilaf mask, which is from Beauty Trends, charcoal Pilaf mask. This is all control and lightening. I use the 25 ml sachet. This is 50 pesos, by the way. It says here deeply cleanse by controlling all, detoxify the skin, removing dead skin, clearing up the deep acidic dirt and other impurities. I did have also have their whitening pore minimize. I will be using that to my next video, which is I prefer the white color, although the scent is not really good. It's like the scent of it is like blue compared to this one. So but the rest of it I will be cleansing it with a Silka cleanser. It says here it will lighten and restore the elasticity of your skin, so it is also firming. It says here it is suitable for all skin types. Guys, please do watch my other videos. I am also uploading like I also play games like Diablo Immortal and Farlight 84 and what else? Mobile Legends also. I'm not really good in Mobile Legends. My rank just downgraded to a basic. I can't play rank as of now. So sad. But games for me is just pastime. I'm just testing other games. It's one of my hobby also. I also play Dota. Please do check my videos. I'm just removing everything with Silka cleanser. I'm using Silka. Silka is kind of sticky. I really love that is not sticky on the face. Anything skincare. For me, I really love that is not sticky, since I have troubled skin and easily produce sebum. So as much as possible, I don't like sticky products. So again, I will be using that dark spot vitamin C. It's from Japan. It's used to lighten dark spots. So I'm currently using this daily. I rarely use this since I don't have dark spots. I have minimal dark spots, so I'm not using it daily. So next will be, of course, the eye cream. That one is from Quick Fix. It is for lifting. I usually use eye cream since I really love eye creams that is lifting as well as skin lightening, and lifting or firming all in one. But since I don't have that, I'm using two products, which is from Quick Fix and its Folio. Its Folio is brightening or lightening. That is used for under eye, but just to be sure, I'm also using it all over my eyes. I'm just rubbing it gently all over my eyes and under my eyes, my upper lid. Okay, so next will be okay. I changed my serum, face serum. I'm using the Esfolio, which is calming ampoule. It says here it soothes and contains Centella asiatica extract. Is that how you say that? That can effectively soothe and reveal smooth skin. This is 30 ml. This is made in Korea. So after opening this, you must consume this within 12 months. I'm just dabbing it all over my face gently. So next will be what I'll be using must be the hand cream. The product is from, I don't know how you say this, it's Jigot perfume Frisia in Frisia hand cream, also made in Korea. That is 50 ml. Okay. Just to finish everything, since I've dried I let the product absorb my face. So I will be also putting Lewis and Pearl powder, since I easily I really don't like the feeling of oily or sebum on my face. So that's why every time I finish everything, putting serum or skincare, the finish touch will be the powder. Usually do that. That is my nightly routine. And then of course, if I'm just dabbing that on my face and also on my neck, because it feels comfortable, since it's really hot in here right now, even though it rains, since it's summer. Okay, I'm just dabbing this all over my face. Okay, bye.